Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you will be fine and enjoying your holidays. My dear students, as you know that your vacations are extended till 25th of January because of coronavirus pandemic. So to complete your course, we are continuing our online classes. Dear students, please learn and complete your winter vacation task in a separate notebook, and it should be neat and complete, and the marks of your winter vacation task will be added in your final term examination. My dear students, let's start our today's class, and the topic of our today's class is comprehension. Before doing comprehension in your neat notebook, first of all I will explain it to you that what is comprehension. The word comprehension means the ability to understand what you listen or what you read. It is an exercise which aims at improving or testing one's ability to understand a language. A paragraph is given, and the main task is to answer the question asked from the passage. So, now students, take out your English A notebooks and write down date, that is Monday, January 11, 2021. Draw margin line, and your topic is comprehension. Passage number 1. So, the first passage which we will do in our class is about the human ears and the high pitch of the sound which are received by our ears, and its impact on us and on the surrounding. So let's start it. First of all, you have to write date, draw margin lines. Topic is comprehension, passage number 1. Human ears is Human ear is meant for receiving sound of normal range of decibels. Sound received beyond that measure could not only be jarring but also damaging to our hearing sense organs. How many of us take care of this? It may be a TV program or a radio broadcast, playing a tape recorder or any other instrument, even a gossip or chit chat in a company, all are heard at a very high pitch. We may be used to it, but what about those living around us? Our neighbors may be a serious student, a sick person, or a peace loving being. Have you ever thought of him? How much annoying do we cause to him or her? The neighbor, being a person or a cool temperature, does not quarrel with us and suffer in silence. The poor fellow shut the window and door and put cotton in his ears to reduce the impact of high pitched noises. When shall we learn the simple civic sense? It may be a marriage ceremony or any other function, a ritual or a prayer. There is generally a fashion of hiring a loudspeaker to he used the loudest beside engaging a band and other means of producing sound. The pitch is to the pitch is kept so high that sensitive being get shock. Even the stone or bricks of the building shake, and the impression is gathering that the building may collapse one day because of this. अब मैं आपको थोड़ा-सा उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ कि ये पैराग्राफ, ये कम्प्रिहेंशन पैराग्राफ हमारे पास किस किस बारे में है कि जो हम लाउड नॉइज़ या म्यूज़िक या फिर जो भी लाउड वॉइसेस हम सुनते हैं या बोलते हैं, इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या होता है। इसका इम्पैक्ट हमारे अपने ऑर्गन्स पर भी होता है, हमारे अपने ऑर्गन्स को भी ये डैमेज करता है और दूसरे लोगों को भी जो हमारे इर्द गिर्द हमारे नेबर्स रहते हैं उन पर भी इसका बुरा इम्पैक्ट होता है. नाउ कम टू द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. How can the sound beyond the normal range of decibels harm us? It is not only jarring to the ears but also damaging to our hearing sense organ. What is the meaning of jarring? Jarring का मतलब है unpleasant, मतलब कोई आवाज़ या फिर कोई आवाज़ जब हमें नामुनासिब सुनाई देती है. What does a person of cool temperature do to reduce the impact of high pitched noises? A person of cool temperature does not quarrel and suffers in silence. When do we hire a loudspeaker? When we have a ceremony of any kind, we hire a loudspeaker. What is human ears meant for? Human ear is meant for receiving sound of normal range of decibels. Write from the passage the word which means having unpleasant, annoying effect, that is jarring. Now, students, what you have to do is that you have to do this comprehension passage in your neat English A notebook with date, proper margin line, ending line, and topic name. And inshallah we will continue this in our next class as well. We will do some other passages, comprehension passages, in our upcoming classes. So complete your notebook. Inshallah we will meet in next class. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.